Here's our beloved 2012 Tiguan. Been on daily for something like 3 years. Xenons. The daytime running. I love this color. It's shadow blue, I believe it's called, or night blue metallic, something like that. But anyway, it's hauled us up and down the coast when we lived in California, and Santa Monica car, pretty clean. This car also took us all the way across the country. Yep, she's done us well. However, it's time for an upgrade. She served us well, but we're moving on to something else. Can't tell you yet whether it's going to be something we keep in the family or switch out for something completely different. But we'll see. Time will tell. And stay tuned for next update. Alright guys, here she is. This is the replacement. It is my 2013 Volkswagen Touareg, or Touareg, 3.6 sport model. So black on tan. They did a really good job with this car. Shout out to Motor Point Roswell for hooking up the trade. And yeah, she's been great so far. It's a couple days, but real step up from our Tiguan. You know, it's definitely aged well, I would say. It's very well maintained, very clean, and the all-wheel drive with the V6, you can't go wrong. So, very happy with this. Couple of nice features, lots of space, and we even have a couple of night features. Anyway, this is the wife's daily in my car with the kids to get around in and all that. But it's an absolute pleasure to drive. I mean, there's so much to do with these specific Touaregs. They're a big step up over their predecessors, but definitely pay homage to, you know, where these Touaregs started. Very clean engine bay. They definitely took care of this. Oops, sorry about that. So again, 3.6 VR6. VR6 the world, y'all. I definitely love it. Been a blast to drive so far. Not much plans for it, just keep it pretty stock. Maybe upgrade to some OEM dubs. For the shoes, you know, maybe add a luggage rack and a carrier. We do have a couple of drives planned, so it'd be super ideal to make sure this is a fully functional SUV for us. Other than that, the interior lends way to some nice features. Everything's pretty straightforward, pretty standard. This model does not come with the backup camera, which does kind of suck, but I'm okay for it to not have one. You can always add the van top or other model add-ons, run the wire, and, you know, have some added functionality that, you know, you probably wouldn't have got in the dealer, you know, with the dealer options anyway. So yeah, this is the replacement. Very happy. We'll keep updates short and sweet when they do occur. If you like what you see here, love your feedback. My fellow Volkswagen fans, yeah, this is where I'm at. I still got my other Volkswagen, and hopefully in due time, we'll have some better updates around what's going on with that. Until then, see you next time.